Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Reolink Argus camera. It's super simple. You just need to have the camera, a cell phone, and the router that your camera is connecting to. So super simple. Just come here to the App Store or to your Android store to download the app. And you're gonna look for the Reolink app. So I come here and I just enter Reolink. And then I'm gonna find this one, Reolink Client. That's the one to go. In here, you just need to install it and open it. So I have it here, okay? And then I just need to add a new device. I come here to add a new device, and now it's necessary to scan the QR code here on the camera, right? So what I have to do is just come here and turn the camera on. Let me just open here. There's a button here, you see, to turn on the camera. You just turn it on, and you wait for this sound, right? There's the sound, and you see the LED here, it's red, right? So it's ready for the setup. Just come here with the QR code and scan it. There we go. Now you just need to come here and configure Wi-Fi by scanning the QR code. That's what it did here, right? And here just need to insert a MicroSD card. So we have one already here. So as you can see, the SD card is here. So I'm good to go. I'm gonna just close this one here and continue with the setup, right? So I just put the camera here, hit got it. Make sure the device is powered and turned on, which it is. Just hit next. I heard the sound, basically this sound here. It's a prompt, voice prompt, or the sound, right? Like a sonar sound. I just hit next again. And here I just need to select my Wi-Fi, okay? So basically here I'm using the Wi-Fi that's coming from this router. So just select the Wi-Fi that you want to use and enter the password. In this case here, I have a temp password that I use for testing. So I'm gonna insert here, but basically is the password that you use for your cell phone. I just insert here. There we go. Now the cell phone is going to inform the camera which Wi-Fi and password to use. I just need to hit next. And now I just need to scan the QR code here on the camera. So I just hit here, scan now. I get this code. There we go. And I'm going to point the camera to this code and just find the correct distance here that the camera can read the QR code, right? You just need to keep trying until you find the distance. There we go. I got it. So I come back here and just continue, right? So I have heard the prompt. Hit next. Next again, because it's connected to the router. Hit next again. You see here the LED changes to blue, so it's good to go. And here you enter the password. For the camera, you can select any password that you want. I'm gonna use temp pass one more time. There we go, just enter the password and confirm. Hit next. Now here you can just name your device. I'm gonna select here side door. Next again. And the camera is ready, right? So it's complete. I just hit next one more time. And I just come here, see the device has been added to your app. You just select and you're good to go. So it's basically working, right? So that's the way you can add a Reolink camera to the app, right? Or basically set up a Reolink Argus camera. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.